kitchen where the magic's made. Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals you'll surely prize.
Hi there. We are going to do Cooking with Christy, my queen, keto gathering. And I'm going to try Christy's keto cornbread. So I've never tried it, and we're going to do this together. So first, you're going to take a cast iron skillet and you're going to butter it. And then you're going to put it in your oven at 350. And you're going to get it hot while we make this. So first it calls for all dry ingredients. So we're going to put in a large bowl and combine 1/3 cup of whey protein isolate, 1/3 cup of oat fiber, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to stir that in. We're going to add the melted butter, which is 1/2 cup or 1 stick. 1/3 cup of bacon fat or refined coconut oil melted. I have bacon grease, 4 large eggs, 1/4 cup of water. It says to use a stand mixer or a hand mixer and blend this together. So I'm using my hand mixer today. And now we're going to use 1/4 teaspoon of corn extract. And you can find that on Amazon. And you hand stir that in. Okay. It looks just like cornbread. Just looks like cornbread batter to me. I normally add sugar to my cornbread, so we'll see how this turns out. And maybe next time I'll add a little sugar. So let's just follow the directions and see what she says, and I'll tweak it later. Sometimes you can add a jalapeno, whatever you like. Okay, now it says pour it into the hot skillet and bake for 22 to 26 minutes until lightly browned and firm to the touch. Okay, here we go. And in the oven we go. 22 to 26 minutes. And we're back. I did the full 26 minutes for my cornbread, and it says firm to the touch, and it is. So, and it's slightly brown. It's perfect. Looks just like cornbread. So let's just see how it tastes. Looks like cornbread. I'm putting butter on mine. My butter's already room temperature. I guess you could probably do a sugar-free jelly to sweeten it up. I'm thinking this cornbread's going to be good as a side dish, like for your no-bean chili, no-bean taco soup. I think this would be good for some of your soups in place of crackers, and a bread, a side dish to dinner. So anyways, here's what it looks like. It smells like cornbread. I taste the bacon fat. This is definitely cornbread. I'm used to sweet cornbread. So to put this in a soup in place of a cracker. I do like my chili with cornbread, so this would be good. But if I was eating it as a bread with like a dinner, personally, I would want sugar in this because that's how I normally eat it on a regular non-keto diet. But this would satisfy your cornbread need. I would add some sugar-free sugar, like a third or a half a cup. Maybe leave out the baking fat because that's what I'm tasting is the bacon fat, which is good. It's savory. Or I would keep the bacon fat, add some jalapenos, maybe some rosemary, thyme, garlic, play with it. I mean, it's good. Don't get me wrong, it's good. The texture is perfect. It's perfect. I like sweet cornbread, so I love the texture. And usually that's the problem with keto bread. This is good. Make it. Let me know how you like it.
In a kitchen where the magic's made, Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise, healthy meals usually pride.